Okay, so without wasting time, I remove this cover, and this is the sensor wire. It's coming right here over here, yellow wire, mostly same in all the machines. Okay, this is connected to the other connector here, and there is a sensor. Okay, and there is a magnet. When the sensor stop working, then this E2 problem occur. So what I simply did is I just just short the sensor wire. See, I just peeled the wire and shorted it. Okay, so the sensor is for door. So when you now it is direct and shorted. So what it does is even if you keep the door open, the machine will still work. Okay, so this is a direct short fix of this for this washing machine. Now let's test it. We turn on the switch. Let's see. Alright, it's not on. Okay, it's on. Now I will see. Now it's working. The sensor wire is shorted, so the circuit board is reading as the sensor door is closed. Okay, so now it will directly work. So this problem often occurs in this washing machine, and even if you keep the door open, this is not such hazard if a mature person is washing the clothes. But this error often happens again and again. So this is a very really simple solution to the problem. If you just short the wire, it will disable the sensor system and it will always work. Thanks for watching. Let's fix it back like it was. Okay, and wash the clothes. Bye.